Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of CS Fresh Noodle Fridays. It's another pasta edition episode today, and I'm just using some leftover ingredients I have in my fridge to whip up this delicious chicken, bacon, and arugula fettuccine. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, take a look at all these ingredients here. Nothing crazy, a lot of like leftover stuff. So I got half an onion here. I've got one whole head of garlic. They're really small, quite mild. 1 cup of half and half cream. I have 1 chicken breast that's been cooked, again leftover. I have about 5 strips of bacon, 1 pound of pasta, red hot chili peppers, and Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna begin by cutting up all of my bacon, and if you want to do this from scratch, you can go ahead and just cook that right in the pan. Also dicing up my chicken and mincing up that garlic. So for here, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, adding in my onion, add the bacon here if you want to, add the chili flakes in here, and then adding in my cooked and crumbled bacon as well as my diced up chicken breast. So we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our pasta. Back to the pan, we're adding a 1 cup of cream, adding some salt and pepper to taste, and then adding in our hot cooked pasta here, as well as 1 half cup of pasta water, adding a Parmesan cheese, as well as our arugula, which I forgot to mention, adding in a handful there. Toss and eat. Delish. Enjoy.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!